Let's talk about slope. Slope is a rate of change. It is written as change in y over change in x. For example, the slope or rate of change of a car driving on the highway is 65 miles per hour, or 65 miles over 1 hour. There are 4 types of slope: positive slope, negative slope, undefined slope, and zero slope. Positive slope increases from left to right. Negative slope decreases from left to right. Undefined slope is a vertical line. Zero slope is a horizontal line. Together, we have defined slope. Feel free to drop your comments and questions below. If you liked this video, please click like and subscribe to see more videos like this. Thanks for watching!